2 steps to viral your video. You can see this video has almost 147K views. Here I have used only 2 tricks with which you can make your video viral like this. And I got about $500 in it. So let's get started. Tips 1. Eye-catching title. Create scripted circulating titles for a fun or motivational boost. As I wrote here, I found a new AI business that no one knows, AI crystals. The title should be very useful for the viewers and they will click on your video after seeing it. Keep that in mind and keep your title very short. For example, see these titles, all of them here are very small. Tips 2. Hook your audience. You make your videos very well, but then people don't watch your videos that much. You know the reason for this is because you can't hook your audience. So, for how to hook, you will use these few things in your video a lot. Funny, engaging video, detailed video. If you add these few, your video will go viral 100 out of 100. So guys, this is the tips to boost your videos. But when you subscribe my channel, I will give you in video 1 month free subscription. First 5 people. So can you have any questions? So comment now. I will create this video and help you. All right.